the flight today. This afternoon time, outside the temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. Yankee Golf 1, Bravo, Romeo, Bravo. Delta Sierra 4, Alpha, Papa, back to you.
Roger. Okay, very nice, my friend Park, Delta Sierra 4, Alpha Kilo Papa. I listen to your voice and I want to greet you from Indonesia. I can receive you very well over here, my friend. I'm still on the way from Bandung to Surabaya on the train, something like that, my friend. Maybe my signal over there is not quite stable. Back to you, Park. Go ahead.
Yankee Golf 1, Bravo, Romeo, Bravo. Delta Sierra 4, Alpha, Papa, copy now.
Roger. Okay, my friend Park, do you reach me there? Here it is YG3BRB. My name is Dodi, speaking to you from Indonesia. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm sorry, and your subject is number one is not three. Three, Yankee Golf 3, Bravo, Romeo, Bravo, Delta Sierra 4, Alpha, Papa. Thank you so much, and your beauty your address and you take information. I have not some good on you, Krishna here in Korea, Guangyan City. Back to you, Yankee Golf 3, Bravo, Romeo, Bravo, Delta Sierra 4, Alpha, Papa, back to you.
Roger. Okay, very nice, my friend Park. Anyway, thank you for the nice shot guest. Okay, very nice, my friend Park. Thank you for the nice shot guest. Oh, my friend, I just want to say hello to you. Hoping that you have a good day over there, my friend. Okay, once more, thank you. I will be clear 73. Bye-bye, Park.
Bravo. Delta Sierra 4, Alpha, Papa. Thank you very much for the short USO. And anyway, I hope you stay. And anyway, everything. Okay, anyway, I wish you well. Thank you for the nice contact and the best wishes and good luck to you and your family. And many thanks for the USO and the GMR TJ91. Seriously, see you later. Bye-bye. Happy